winners of the DALI Lighting Awards 2022. My name is Tim Whittaker. I'm the Marketing Communications Manager for the DALI Alliance. Also on the call is Paul Drosin, who's the General Manager of the DALI Alliance. And between us, we're going to go through the different categories and tell you about the winners, the highly commended projects, and also a judge's special mention that's in there as well. So this is our third year of running the awards. As in the previous 2 years, we've been really pleasantly surprised by the very high quality of the projects that were submitted for consideration. And the aim of the awards is to recognize the best use of DALI control applications as solutions in lighting projects across the world. And we have a very diverse range of projects and locations this year. I'd like to say a big thank you to our judging panel, without whom this really wouldn't be possible. So we have Mr. Chen Zhongli from the Shanghai Architectural Design and Research Institute. We have Marcus Heller, who's the editor of Highlight magazine. We have Mark Lean, who is with IES, Jeff Shaw with Arup, Tad Trilsky, who's a lighting designer and member of IALD, our own Scott Wade from the DALI Alliance, and Matt Waring, who's the editor of ARC magazine. The criteria used by the judges was firstly the aesthetic appearance, the lighting design effects that could be achieved and were enabled by DALI, the technical use of DALI, innovative early stage adoption of DALI features, and then specific benefits delivered by using DALI. So the judges considered all of those criteria for each of the projects. The categories, there were 8 of these, and I won't go through the details on the right, they just give some examples, but the main categories are architectural entertainment, healthcare and education, industrial, infrastructure, outdoor, residential, retail and hospitality, and workspaces. So without any further ado, we'll start by going through category by category, and Paul is going to take over and talk us through the first one, which is architectural and entertainment.
Thanks very much, Tim. Thanks for the intro and a warm welcome to everybody. So architectural and entertainment then. This diverse category had the largest number of entrants, which caused intensive discussion among the judges. Projects included a casino, 2 theatres, a zoo where the primary concern was to provide biophilic lighting for animals, a museum, an art gallery, a sports arena, and many more. 2 projects were highly commended by the judges, the first of which was the Holland Casino Utrecht in the Netherlands by Lighting Controls BV. The casino is equipped with an addressable Helvar DALI light management system that controls all the lights in the building. According to the submission, DALI contributed to the building's sustainability and helped it to comply with requirements such as BREEAM. The DALI system is integrated with the BACnet building management system. The judges were interested to note that the lighting in the offices can be controlled via the thermostat, and also that the water supply valves of the toilets were switched via the sensors of the DALI light management system. Also highly commended was Smartscape for the Queensland Ballet in Brisbane, Australia. A control system from Zen Control incorporates nearly 3,000 DALI devices, including all general lighting, emergency lighting, and sensors, switches, and control panels. The DALI system was chosen because of its proven track record and its ability to provide flexibility for the large range of spaces in the building. It also maximizes energy efficiency, which is needed as part of the building's WELL certification. Tunable white DALI lighting adjusts the color temperature of the lights to suit the time of day, providing a refreshing and natural feeling environment. Judges were impressed with the integration of the DALI system, both with the DMX system in the main performance theatre and also with the building management system. So the judges decided that the winner in the architectural and the entertainment category is Tridonic for the Expo 2020 entry portals. The judges were impressed by the simple but highly effective lighting design of the structure and the exemplary use of DALI tunable white control. The portals are 10.5 meters wide, 21 meters tall, and 30 meters in length. Recessed in-ground luminaires with customized optics provide a glare-free solution for pedestrians. Dynamic color mixing, delivered by DALI Control, varies from warm white to an intense amber color at sunset, recreating the warmth of the natural Dubai light. Tridonic's DALI drivers enabled the color temperature and brightness of the customized IP67 luminaires to be easily controlled by a single channel. In turn, this reduced the amount of wiring and the complexity of the installation. DALI also helped the designers to meet the energy reporting and code requirements of the project. Congratulations to Tridonic. Tim, I'm going to hand back to you now for the healthcare and education section.
Great, thank you. So this category was one of the smaller categories in terms of entries, and we can move straight to the winner, which was Dalmatic for the University College London Hospital. In this 11-floor building, of which 5 floors are below ground, the DALI systems provide flexible, energy-efficient monitoring and control of normal and emergency lighting. DALI helps to minimize energy usage and enhance sustainability and operational efficiency. It provides flexible digital dimming, integration with connected services, and the real-time management, monitoring, and sharing of key data. Precise DALI dimming and scene setting in response to daylighting and occupancy enables flexible lighting schemes in different areas of the hospital, while enhancing the comfort and well-being of patients and occupants. Judges noted that DALI contributed to the building receiving BREEAM Highly Commended certification, which is a challenge to attain in a highly serviced healthcare building with energy-hungry medical equipment. Congratulations to Dalmatic, and I will quickly hand back to Paul for the next category.
Thanks very much, Tim. So the next category is industrial. And in this category, we had our first entry from South America, which was highly commended by the judges. Ingenieria Decimat was recognized for its installation of DALI-controlled outdoor lighting in a massive mining complex in the Atacama region of Chile. DALI lights are connected wirelessly by 3G and controlled by a cloud network, allowing remote management of nodes by a web server from anywhere in the world. Using DALI lighting controls and luminaires from Philips, the project also made use of luminaire energy and diagnostic data. Judges noted that safety was a key motivation for the remotely controlled lighting system, reducing the amount of time that workers had to spend in dangerous environments. Now, the winner in the industrial category is Synapse Wireless for the Uline Store C6 in Ontario, California. This is a large indoor warehouse measuring over 1 million square feet, which makes excellent use of D4i capabilities. The project features more than 4,000 luminaires with D4i drivers connected by wireless network lighting controllers. DALI enables the lighting system to achieve energy rebates, meet strict energy codes, and provide alerts when the lights are not operating as intended. Since the actual power usage is measured, the customer can deploy strategies to conserve energy. Light sensors are used to enable daylight harvesting, making optimum use of the 76 skylights in the facility. DALI Control enables smooth dimming that maximizes comfort for employees. The project makes full use of DALI diagnostic data, monitoring issues with the drivers and LED arrays. The D4i LED drivers provide power metering and asset data. The Synapse controller polls each light every 15 minutes to gather data on the energy consumed, and the system pulls data into the cloud for analytics and energy savings calculations. DALI lighting is integrated with the building management system, so that the lights and HVAC system can be controlled together. And the judges noted that the scale of the project, with all lights required to respond to commands in less than 1 second, and also recognised that DALI is instrumental in meeting the strict energy codes in place. So, congratulations to Synapse Wireless. Back to you, Tim.
Thank you. And the next category is infrastructure, which featured several transport projects, including rail links, a subway, and and a cargo terminal and a parking garage. So one of the subway projects, the Hangzhou line by Shanghai U-Chips, was highly commended by the judges, who noted the quality of the lighting design and varied usage of DALI. For example, lights in the passenger waiting area are dimmed when no one is using the seating. Overall, DALI control provides a safe and comfortable lighting environment according to passenger flow, while also minimizing energy consumption. During the judging process, any project that's difficult to compare with more conventional installations, but which is felt to deserve recognition, is eligible for a Judge's Special Mention Award. This year, the Judge's Special Mention went to SPL Lighting for its installation of a DALI-based flashing LED system, which illuminates the platform gap at one of the main stations on the Hong Kong Metro system. The judges were impressed by this unconventional use of DALI to create a visual reminder for passengers. When the train is in the station and the platform screen door is opened, the RGBW lighting flashes in blue to draw the passenger's attention and visually remind them of the platform gap. The lights are centrally controlled and can produce dynamic effects, or they can produce white lighting to enable track maintenance, for example. DALI was chosen because it can reliably perform in such a harsh environment and withstand the enormous electrical interference that is experienced on metro platforms in daily operation. As an open protocol, DALI permits multi-vendor support. Also, simple cabling makes maintenance simpler and more cost-effective. The winner of the infrastructure category is Delmatic for the Elizabeth Line, a new 118-kilometre high-speed rail network for London and South East England. This is Europe's largest infrastructure project, lit entirely by LEDs, and the complete installation uses DALI control to optimize efficiency, safety, and aesthetics. Delmatic DALI systems provide energy-efficient management and monitoring of normal and emergency lighting throughout the Elizabeth Line stations, using more than 35,000 DALI assets, including luminaires, sensors, switches, and controllers. The project team regarded lighting design and lighting control as critical, not only for passenger safety, but also for enhancing the experience within the subterranean environment. Several judges had traveled on the new line and could testify to the quality of the lighting. Many DALI features were employed, including real-time monitoring and diagnostics, as well as occupancy and light level sensors. The DALI systems integrate with a central battery network to provide integrated emergency light testing and monitoring via the DALI protocol. Integration with the building management system enables the lighting network to share status and fault intelligence with the rail command center. The DALI systems also integrate with the fire alarm systems to aid wayfinding and evacuation. The project was the first of this scale to embed sustainable thinking from the outset. The stations achieved BREEAM Very Good rating, a first for underground stations, and DALI contributed to this achievement. So many congratulations to Delmatic, and I'll hand back to Paul for the outdoor category.
Thanks very much. So the outdoor category featured street lighting projects that exemplified the use of Zaga D4i technology. Lug Light Factory was highly commended for the ongoing street lighting modernization project in Warsaw, Poland. The scope of this large-scale project is to replace 38,000 legacy luminaires with LED fixtures, driven by the goal of saving energy and associated costs. The Zaga D4i certified Sava luminaires from Lug contain D4i drivers from Osram. This is a future-ready solution that can upgrade can be upgraded via the addition of lighting management devices to the standardized Zaga D4i socket on each luminaire. With D4i, the status of the luminaires and their operating time can be monitored, allowing analysis and proper maintenance. D4i also provides energy consumption metering and other essential smart city functions. The use of DALI enables lighting schemes to be adapted and changed. Overall, the system provides the capability to manage all of the city's lights from one access point. The judges agreed that the project was a strong example of how a city should approach a comprehensive modernization program for its lighting infrastructure. The winner of the outdoor category is Signify for the lighting renewal project in Algeciras, Spain. A total of 5,600 light points were updated using Zaga D4i luminaires from Philips. Key goals were to introduce the centralized management, to save energy, and to reinforce security in sensitive areas at night. Luminaires are connected via an outdoor luminaire controller attached to the Zaga D4i socket. This allows the luminaires to transfer DALI luminaire energy and diagnostic data to the Interact City connected lighting system, enabling users and customers to remotely manage, monitor, and control the city lights. In some areas, lighting is regulated automatically according to vehicle and pedestrian traffic, using a Zaga D4i certified radar motion sensor. The control system dynamically provides reports using energy consumption data and asset information enabled by data stored in the D4i LED drivers. The judges noted that the system is future ready due to the interoperability provided by standardized DALI and Zaga D4i technology. Overall, the new system has reduced energy consumption by more than 50%. So congratulations to Signify for that project. And back to you, Tim.
Thank you. The next category is residential. Entries in this category ranged from a single apartment to a multi-residence building that uses more than 50,000 DALI drivers. Zen Control was highly commended for the Mercian, a residential building in Birmingham, UK, with over 480 homes and various shared public spaces. DALI was used for lighting control in those public spaces and was chosen as a flexible platform that can evolve as the use of the spaces changes according to the needs of the occupants. The Zen Control system manages more than 3,600 DALI devices over 42 floors, including the emergency lighting. This provides the facilities management team with a tool to ensure compliance with automatic testing for battery-powered emergency lighting. DALI 2 sensors provide granularity that allows the creation of heat maps so that space utilization can be mapped and shared to the customized dashboard. The winner of the residential category is Shenzhen Sunricher Technology for the Taizuan high-end building in Shenzhen. This is another large residential building with 33 floors, which uses DALI lighting control connected with the KNX building management system. More than 10,000 DALI drivers are used to achieve accurate, stable, and smooth dimming without flicker. A key advantage of DALI was the ability to manually set the addresses in advance, thus saving the time required for on-site commissioning. DALI supports the use of preset scenes to automatically control light according to the functions of different areas or different times of the day or outdoor light intensity. DALI's inherent addressability enables individual control and grouping and brings tremendous flexibility to lighting control. So many congratulations to Sunricher for that project. And on to the retail and hospitality category.
Okay, so retail and hospitality, this category included 2 hotel projects with strong lighting design elements and several retail sites, including car dealerships. Philips Dynalight was highly commended for the Täby Centrum shopping mall in Stockholm, Sweden. In this retrofit project, DALI was leveraged to provide human-centric lighting control to enhance the visitor experience, save energy, and reduce operating costs, and to enable monitoring and control. The project used 6,500 DALI luminaires, and the interoperability afforded by a standardized protocol gave the flexibility to choose between different lighting vendors to complement the existing architecture and furnishings. Upgrading to a DALI system was described as easy and cost-effective due to a simplified wiring, digital configuration, and a clear system setup. Daylight harvesting and lux sensors maintain suitable illumination levels, and DALI data enable proactive repairs. The judges praised this very good example of a retrofit project in which DALI not only helped to reduce energy usage and meet sustainability targets, but also created a more comfortable environment for visitors. Now, the winner in the retail and hospitality category is Delmatic for Battersea Power Station. This iconic building in London has been transformed into a mixed-use destination, and Delmatic's DALI 2 lighting management and emergency monitoring solution is used throughout the site. The retail and leisure areas occupy the turbine halls and the boiler house, with 3 tiers of shops surrounding a central atrium. Overlooking each of the turbine halls, the original control rooms offer bar, hospitality, and event spaces. The precise dimming and scene setting capabilities of the DALI 2 system enable flexible lighting, layouts, and scenes to be applied throughout the building, which contributes to a welcoming ambience and facilitates wayfinding. The DALI system is integrated with DMX lighting that illuminates the building exterior. User interfaces and applications continuously monitor the complete lighting system and display real-time granular data and intelligent analytics on lighting performance. This includes DALI 2 emergency light monitoring and testing, as well as individual lamp and driver failure diagnostics. The judges noted the flexibility and versatility of the site-wide DALI solution, enabling lighting scenarios to be configured to precisely suit the individual requirements within the various spaces. Many congratulations to Delmatic for Battersea Power Station. And back to you, Tim.
Thank you. The final category is workspaces. This was a strongly contested category, and the judges decided that 2 projects should be highly commended, one for its technical merits and one for its lighting design. On the lighting design side, the highly commended award goes to Shula Shuk for their contribution to renovating various spaces at the Sydney Catholic School offices in Sydney, Australia. DALI controls allow for different scene settings depending on the use of the space and the time of day. Color changing effects have been programmed in as presets in the DALI control system. The system also makes use of DALI-enabled features such as daylight harvesting and the availability of operational data and fault detection. Judges were impressed with the well-designed lighting features and the balanced use of natural light, which is always important in a working environment. Meanwhile, Helvar was highly commended for the technical capabilities of the DALI system installed at the Pinsent Masons office in Edinburgh, UK. With the user's well-being at the forefront of the design, DALI tunable white lighting adjusts the color temperature throughout the day to create visual comfort and a healthier and more naturally lit environment. Judges noted the focus on human-centric lighting and the achievement of gold level WELL certification. And the winner of the workspaces category is Blue Bottle for the office space at 83 Pirie Street in Adelaide, Australia. The judges complimented the project for its good technical use of DALI combined with interesting and innovative lighting design. This 22-level office tower uses DALI throughout for both illumination and emergency lighting, with components supplied by Zen Control. The project has approximately 9,000 DALI device instances, a number that grows with every new tenant. The DALI 2 application controllers ensure that DALI data is available to the BACnet building management system for monitoring and control. Integrated sensors are widely used, And DALI data supplied to the cloud portal provides analytics on the power consumption and savings from daylight harvesting and occupancy detection. DALI was chosen for its flexibility and ease of wiring, bringing all the exit and emergency fittings onto the DALI bus, along with the lights, motion sensors and switches, greatly reduced the complexity of the wiring and offered cost savings over traditional bus systems. So congratulations to Blue Bottle for that project.
Okay, thank you very much, Tim. And let's go through the thank yous at this point. So first of all, I want to thank all of the entrants to these awards. The judges had a really hard time disseminating the winners and the highly commended. So it's really appreciated. Keep those coming. Many congratulations to the winners, the highly commended, and the judges' special mention. And it's great to see. Finally, a thank you to the judges for all of their time and efforts in judging this competition, and a big thank you to Tim for the preparation and professional presentation. So much appreciated. And thank you all to those of you that attended these awards and listened to this. And we will launch the 2023 edition of the awards later this year. Look out for that, and we look forward to your entries. Thanks very much once again.
Thank you and goodbye.